we finally made it to the trailhead. We are starting right here at Centerpoint. We are going to make our way down to Hemmed In Hollow, the waterfall. So we're heading to the Hemmed In Hollow waterfall. It's going to be a great morning to hike and explore. All right, guys, today we are hiking on the Centerpoint Trail, also known as the Goat Bluff Trail, but this time we are hiking 5 miles to Hemmed In Hollow, which is a lush waterfall that should be flowing today because there's been a lot of rain lately, and the leaves, with the fall leaves right now at their peak, we're gonna see some beautiful views. It's gonna be an awesome day, awesome hike. So I think the trail mileage will be about 10 miles, but I'm super excited to get started. We've got a lot of descending to do, but on the way back, it's gonna be a lot harder because we're gonna be climbing a couple thousand, I think over 1,500 feet of elevation, which is not too bad, but for this area, that's quite a bit of elevation gain, so. So we are now at the point where we turn left towards Hemmed In Hollow on the Centerpoint Trail. If we would have went right, we would have went to the Big Bluff, Goat Bluff area. So we're gonna turn left and keep descending. We then made our way to Grandy Henderson's cabin. Granny and her husband used the resources around them to survive off the land. They even used the Buffalo River to cultivate their crops, which was over a quarter mile away. We then continued on where we would cross Schneed's Creek and head towards Hemmed In Hollow. Alright guys, that was the Hemmed In Hollow waterfall, the tallest waterfall in the Midwest. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to take time out of your week to go outside and experience the outdoors. I'll see you later. It's right there, the very point right here.
There's several other trails though.
We have to split off.
It's that point right there.
We'll have to split. It looks like we'll have. They said you can take Old River, but I was thinking we'll split off right here, go up here, and get on the Hemmed In Hollow.
Yeah.
So we get right there. Yeah. So we're actually probably already halfway for sure.